Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can simply go ahead and use Pathfinder's Grapple in Apex Legends. So before we start, this is my credential that I obviously know what I'm talking about. And basically, in order to do this, it's a complicated way to use Pathfinder's Grapple. Of course, there's a lot of strategy and technique when using this, but generally you don't want to go ahead and use it right off the bat. So with this one, you just don't want to stick into a wall and just use it normally. So you want to go ahead and time your jump, and you want to time your speed and velocity when using Pathfinder's Grapple. So let me just go ahead and kill this guy real quick. And basically to do this, once again, just time your jump onto your Pathfinder's Grapple. So even though if you're grappling onto a ground, it will then go ahead and boost you really high. So grapple jump, and as you can see, it provided me with a lot of speed, and you could do a bunch of stuff regarding this. So let's go ahead and do it onto this block right here. So you just want to press Q and space, and you can also time jump with it, so it will give you a lot of momentum and speed. So with this one, jump, and then you also want to go ahead and drag your mouse along with the actual swing. So if you go ahead and grapple onto a surface with no mouse dragging, it will only go ahead and pull you onto that specific surface. But if you want to be a little bit flashy, you want to go ahead and get your mouse along with it. So let's go ahead and say that we want to grapple onto this top of the house. And so instead of just grappling manually, you could use Q, use your mouse, and then you could go ahead and get that kind of crazy momentum. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.